All right, welcome to this example where we're going to take a look at how to find one of our legs using the hypotenuse and the other leg of a right-angled triangle. So on the screen there, you'll notice that we have a right-angled triangle. It has a hypotenuse of 15 yards and one of its legs is 12 yards. We want to determine what is the other leg of this here. So first of all, we're going to use Pythagorean Theorem. Now I have rearranged it here so that we're subtracting already. It's our hypotenuse minus the leg is going to equal to a second leg. And this is just a rearrangement of our Pythagorean Theorem in general. So label our sides there. I've given C to be the hypotenuse, B to be one of our legs, and A to be the other one. Now again, remember that the order does not matter. We could make A being the one we know and B being the missing leg. It does not matter. Let's plug the values that we know in. We know the 15 and we know the 12. And so we're going to plug those in. I'm going to use the units in there as well. You do not have to when you are working through it, as long as you come up with the answer and the correct units at the end. I'm not too worried about that, but for technicality's sake, I'm going to put my units in there. Square both those numbers. We're going to get 225 and 144. And again, those are yards squared because we're squaring it. Again, once you square root it at the end, that's going to just become yards again. Subtract the 225 minus 144 is going to give us 81. And that tells us that our should be a squared, sorry about that, is going to equal to 81 square yards. All right, now to get our final answer, we need to take the square root of both pieces, and we're going to get our A value, not our C, that should be A value, to be 9 yards. This is a really nice one where all three values are whole numbers, 9, 12, and 15. Therefore, they are what we call a Pythagorean triple. They are whole numbers which are the side lengths of a right-angled triangle. I hope this has helped you. Thank you for watching. All the best as you work through your questions.